Hello guys, today's video is for those people who love traveling. Today we are going to take you with us to some of the most beautiful places in Indonesia. These places are no less than a heaven for tourists. In fact, some of them are considered feast for eyes. Don't worry, we know you can't leave your house in this pandemic, but don't lose hope. Soon this pandemic gonna end and you can quench your thirst for traveling. If you have some intentions like me, then be sure to watch this whole video, because after watching this, you're gonna pack your bags and count your money. So let's start today's video. The number 5 entry in our list is Wairebo Village. But it is not just an ordinary village. Located in the island of Flores, it is surrounded by tropical greenery. Backed by picturesque mountains and lush green fields, you can find thriving orchards and wildlife here. Iconic cone-shaped houses are built here, which increases its scenery and beauty. But if you are lucky, you can see this village in mist, and this scene surely going to leave you in awe. So after visiting this village, you may want to leave your city and shift here. Number 4. Lombok. This island is one of the most visited places of Indonesia. If a person visits this island, he can find its wonders, and there is not just one of them. Yes, it is correct, because the nature has given many beautiful places to this tiny island. Its beaches and landscapes are magnificent in every aspect. The beauty and wonder of each site is the reason behind its popularity. You can find all type of natural wonders here, like beaches, mountains, lakes and many more. But among the most glorious sights, the Rinjani Mountain and Pink Beach are most famous for their views. The Gili Islands are just off the coast of this island. Tourists can also enjoy its famous restaurants and hip bars, which are made for international tourists. Number 3. Dieng Plateau. Located at 2,000 meters above sea level, it is no doubt one of the coolest tourist destinations in Indonesia. This plateau is famous for various reasons. Its weather and scenes from this highland are main attractions. Scenes of jungle and distant villages make it a distinctive destination for tourists. One can enjoy sweeping mountain view and nature's wonders from this plateau. It is also an important destination for those people who are interested in local culture and history. You can find many ancient Hindu temples here. The local festivals of this plateau are very popular among tourist community. Every year, many tourists come here to enjoy local culture. In these festivals, local traditions and rituals are performed which are worth seeing. These festivals also include jazz performances during all night above the clouds. At second place, we have Lake Toba. It is not just the biggest lake of Indonesia, but it is also the most beautiful one. Formed by volcanic eruption, this lake offers a lot of captivating viewpoints. It is interesting to know that this lake is twice the size of Singapore, and it is also the largest caldera in whole world. This volcanic lake is one of the most visited tourist attraction from last decade. Thanks to this breathtaking view, Lake Toba is still a popular destination for tourists. Surrounded by hills and lush greenery, this lake also has an island in its middle. This island, Samosir, is a nature's wonder in every aspect. This charming and beautiful island is a place for tourists to stay and enjoy the local culture of Batak people. Tourists enjoy the stunning view of this lake, especially the sunset, during which people fall in love with this majestic lake. The number 1 spot in our list is taken by the number 1 tourist destination of Indonesia, which is Ubud, Bali. It is the most visited place of country by national and international tourists. Even Hollywood celebrities often come here to escape from their hectic lifestyle. Considered as Bali's cultural and art capital, the town of Ubud has become a must-visit place for tourists. There are several reasons behind it. Ubud has everything to attract tourists and make them fall in love with it. The beauty and wonders of nature are at the peak in this town. From lush tropical jungles to claiming rivers, and from monkey forest to art market, it has everything to offer to tourists. The trademark scenery of Ubud is its Teglaling Rice Terrace. This tourist destination has become the face of this beautiful town. The serene and peaceful atmosphere of Ubud attracts people from every country who come here to wander in its beauty. So guys, we hope you enjoyed today's video. Tell us in comments which destination you're gonna visit after pandemic. But till pandemic end, stay safe and stay happy. For more videos, do like our channel and do press the bell icon.